Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and all the right options? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 in billet silver metallic. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch silver aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, power heated exterior mirrors with manual foldaway, front and rear interior LED lamps, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, Uconnect with 7-inch touchscreen display, Park View rear backup camera, dual-zone automatic temperature control, PARKSENSE rear park assist with stop, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, leather-wrapped shift knobs, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, Sentry key theft deterrent system, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3217A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.